Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.51. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of 5.24%. This amounts to an average loss of 0.58% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases may be anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -16.45% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -40.21% to +1.46% in a longer-term view. Our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -27.18% and +60.51% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $2.64 to $5.81. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, "Red Day on Thursday for NIO." The NIO stock price decreased by 3.47% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. It fell from $3.75 to $3.62. Throughout the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.66%, reaching a low of $3.55 and a high of $3.68. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.12% during this time frame. Notably, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 35 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged for approximately $126.25 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 53.05%, or $4.09, below the 52-week high, and 94.60%, or $63.37, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price was $66.99. NIO, the third largest electric vehicle manufacturer in China, is currently experiencing a challenging phase following its recent earnings report. On the 3rd of June, 2025, NIO announced a significant loss in the first quarter that exceeded analyst expectations despite year-over-year revenue growth attributed to increased vehicle deliveries. The company reported delivering 42,094 vehicles, an increase of 4.1% from the previous year. However, revenues of 12 billion renminbi indicated a notable decline from the previous quarter. This disappointing performance has raised concerns regarding NIO's ability to achieve profitability, casting doubts on its ambitious targets for break-even later in the year. In light of these challenges, NIO continues to promote its new brands, Onvo and Firefly, which are designed to accelerate delivery growth. However, high research and development costs, along with substantial marketing expenses, are hindering near-term profitability. Furthermore, the company is actively expanding into European markets to further enhance its delivery momentum. Additionally, major banking institutions have adjusted their price targets for NIO stock in response to these recent results, reflecting the increased uncertainty surrounding its future performance. While positive developments, such as the company's innovative battery swapping technology, may attract investors. The recent setbacks could significantly impact stock prices in the near term. In the long run, the success of new models and market expansion will be crucial in determining NIO's trajectory. Overall, investor sentiment may remain cautious as they evaluate the potential effects of current financial difficulties on NIO's growth prospects. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.84%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued which may impact short-term developments. The NIO stock maintains a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, presenting a more negative outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.88. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $3.62. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 130 cents between its high and low, which is approximately 3.66%. In the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 5.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of negative 47 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.52. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we expect NIO to open lower by 330 cents and begin trading at $3.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.